Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power at the circuit breaker, safety first. Once the breaker is off, hold the mounting bracket at your chosen 8 to 10 foot height and mark holes. Make sure line of sight to desired coverage. Now open the Google Home app and have your Wi-Fi name and password ready. You'll need them during pairing. After drilling and securing the bracket, verify the junction box wiring is accessible and ready for the camera's power connection. With the bracket secured, feed the camera's cable into the junction box and make the power connections. Match live, neutral, and ground, and use waterproof wire nuts. This prevents corrosion. Once tightened and sealed, attach the floodlight module and position the camera on the mount. Hand tighten the thumb screw. Next, open Google Home, tap Add, choose Setup Device, and scan the QR code on the camera. Follow on screen prompts to join the camera to your 2. 4. After successful pairing, configure activity zones and motion sensitivity so you get meaningful alerts. This reduces false positives from trees or passing cars. Then set floodlight schedules and motion light behavior. Make sure illumination angles cover the intended area. Test a live view, trigger motion to confirm alerts, and walk the coverage for brightness. If the camera stays offline, first power cycle the circuit breaker. If that fails, perform a factory reset and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.